morning, students. Today we are going to see a new lesson. What is our lesson name? What if it finishes? What is going to be finish? Finish means what? Ending. Here, petrol and diesel going to be finished. Like that discussion is going on in the story. Actually, while they are going on a school trip to Adalji Stepwell, that is from 18 kilometers from Ahmedabad, they are going to travel. During that time, in signals, many of the vehicles see here, it is staying here because of that so much of pollution is happening, and on because of what these vehicles are running on behalf of petrol and diesel. So about that, here some discussion is going on. We will see elaborately. This is a short story of this or lesson. Okay, here is a bus journey, that is they are going in a bus. Actually, today we are going on a school trip to Adal Stepwell, about 18 kilometers from Ahmedabad. We began counting the vehicles on the road. Some of us counted the bicycles, others counted the buses, cars, and motorcycles. Abraham, who was counting bicycles, soon got bored. There were hardly any bicycles on this highway. See here, actually, all of them going on a Adalji Stepwell for it is a school trip. Actually, it is 18 kilometers from Ahmedabad. During the traffic time, they are counting the vehicles, how many vehicles are going. Some of them are counting how many bicycles are present. Some of them buses, cars, and motorcycles. Abraham is one of a boy. He's counting bicycles and he got very bored. So he's seeing the road. Screech! The driver suddenly braked at the red light. It was a big crossing, and we could see the traffic lined up on all sides. Honk, honk, the sound of loud horns and smoke coming out of the vehicles. Maybe that is why a little boy in rickshaw was coughing so much. I smelt something familiar. I remember this smell. It came from Baba's tractor in the village. Now, suddenly the driver braked because there is a red light. If there is a red light present in the road means we have to stop our vehicle. It is a traffic rules. So what sound came from that? Screech, like that, and it was a big crossing. Here, see in this picture itself, we can able to see there is a so much of traffic. Before the bus, there are so many vehicles are standing. So what? All of horn sound. So because of this horn sound, it is very noisy, and from some vehicles, so much of smoke is coming. From the rickshaw, one boy is coughing because of the smoke effect. So she's saying, yes, I heard and I was familiar with this smell because I remembered this smell when I was in village. That time from the Baba's tractor, like this smell only came. Like that, they were discussing. On the next page of your book, they have given you some questions. See here in this picture, what are the different vehicles? You can see, you can write that. That is your first question. And what do you think they need petrol and diesel as fuel? Do you think these vehicles need petrol and diesel to run off? And which of the vehicles do you think give off smoke? Put a red mark on those. Okay. And you can take out the picture of that vehicles and you can mark it a red mark. Which one gives smoke? Which are the vehicles run without petrol and diesel? What problems do we face from the speeding vehicles? What are the problems and effects we face? That also you can come to know. And here also some of the questions are given. Do you ride a bicycle? If yes, where all do you go on it? How do you come to school? How you are coming to school through bicycle or motor vehicle or through school van? How you are coming? How do your family members go to work from home? Your father or mother, how they are traveling from home to a workplace? What problems can we have from smoke coming out of vehicles? What kind of problems we are facing from noise of vehicles horning? See, this is on the petrol pump. After some time, what happens? Our bus stopped at the petrol pump. There was a long queue. It seemed as if we would have a long wait. We all got down from the bus and started looking around the petrol pump. We saw many large boards and posters. See here from this picture, we come to know that there is the long queue in the petrol pump. So they stood up, down, and they were waiting, and they can able to see so many buses and so many vehicles are waiting for the petrol, and some posters are also present there. Next, here this was the poster that was present in the petrol pump. What was that poster means? Petrol and diesel will not last forever. Save it for your children. Make every drop go a long way. Switch off the engine when you stop the car. And the petrol rate has written, diesel rate has also written for per liter. Okay. By reading this, what we come to know, we should not waste the petrol because our future generation want to use it. So every drop we have to save it. While if the car is stopped in a traffic or some places, we have to switch off the engine. Otherwise, petrol or diesel will be wasted. So that this poster has been pasted there. We could not understand why it was written that petrol and diesel will not last forever. We thought of asking an uncle who works at the petrol pump. So these children were confused. Why like this they have written in the post? So they are asking to an uncle, that one person who is working at the petrol pump, why uncle like this have written? If petrol will be finished, like that they are asking. So Abraham is asking, uncle, from where do we get petrol and diesel? Abraham is a child, he is asking where we are getting petrol and diesel. So the uncle who is working at the petrol pump, he is replying that from deep down under the ground, that is very deep under the ground only we are getting the petrol. So Manju, what she is saying, but how does it get made there? How petrol is made under the ground? Like that question arises in mind. So she is asking to that uncle who is working at the petrol pump. It is formed naturally but very slowly. It is not made by human being or a machine. He is saying it is a natural thing and it will be formed very slowly only. It take many years and it can't be made by human beings or by machine. It is not an artificial thing, like that he is saying. Abraham is asking, then we don't need to buy it. We can take it out ourselves using a bore well, like we pump out water. So Abraham is replying that then why we have to give the money and want to buy petrol and diesel and all. We can use our bore well, how we are getting water. Likewise, we can also use bore well and we can get the petrol and diesel. No, like that he is asking. Uncle is saying it is not found everywhere but only at a few places in our country. We need big machines to pump it out and clean it. He replies that it is not found in any places, only in a few places, that is in particular places in our country only can be found. And that also how we can take means using the big machines and it will be pumped out and want to do the cleaning process also, like that he is saying. Okay students, up to what we thought from this I will ask you some questions. Attend the Google form test well. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.